Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin now. Check posture and open your airway, straighten head and spine. Breathe with your diaphragm. Inhale for 3 seconds, pause, exhale for 4. Once steady, hum to locate your comfortable pitch, then slide up or down 1 to 2 semitones to test range. Practice 2 short phrases at that pitch. Keep movements small. This avoids strain. You're already changing sound by adjusting resonance and airflow. Make sure to feel vibration in chest for lower tones and mask area for brighter tones. Once done with pitch, focus on resonance and articulation. You shift resonance by directing sound, lower resonance into chest for warmth, into the mask for brightness. Practice 5 reps of each to train sensation. Then change vowel shapes. Open your mouth wider for forward, clear vowels, narrow it for softer, breathier tones. Also vary pacing. Use half-second pauses to change emphasis and perceived pitch. These adjustments alter formants and timbre, which is why the voice sounds different even if pitch is similar. Now integrate everything into natural speech. Say short sentences using your chosen pitch, resonance, and vowel shapes. Record 3 takes and compare. Once reviewed, pick 2 things to reinforce and 1 issue to correct. If you encounter hoarseness or strain, stop and rest. Hydrate and reduce volume. These steps protect your cords. If problems persist beyond a few days, consult a voice professional. Making small, consistent adjustments is how you sustain a changed voice without injury.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.